Thanks for watching J-Pop Vlogs.
Thanks for watching J-Pop Vlogs.
J-Pop Vlogs. Thank you for watching J-Pop Vlogs.
Thanks for watching J-Pop Vlogs.
Thanks for watching J-Pop Vlogs, y'all. Come holla at us.
Hi everybody, I'm your Lord and Father, Satan. I want to thank you for coming to this channel, J-Pop Vlogs. It's the place I go to for info.
What's up, guys? So we made it out here to Austin, Texas and spent the day with the family doing some Thanksgiving stuff. Now we're gonna go check out Mount Bonnell. It's supposed to be like a little hiking nature area here in Austin, and then after that I think we're gonna go check out Pluckers, attempt this hot wing challenge, and finish it up by going down to 6th Street, seeing what nightlife is like out here. Thank you guys for coming back and viewing my channel as always, and stay tuned for more. Back from hiking in Mount Bonnell, and it was pretty dope out there. Lots of steps leading up the mountain, which made hiking it a bit easier, and then there was a lot of off trails where you can, you know, kind of hike on your own. Now I'm starving, so I want to go to this restaurant here called Pluckers. It's supposed to have some great wings and a hot wing challenge, which I might attempt depending on how hot the sauce is. After that, we're gonna hit downtown, check out what's going on down there, and call it a night. So stay tuned, you guys. Alright, so I just got the Pluckers, and I'm about to try one of these fire in the whole wings. I could eat 100 of these. I won't lie, the sauce is pretty hot. So we just got the Ridgeline Mall, and yes. So we just finished up at Lakeline Mall. It was a pretty good size, and I made a few purchases here. They have some pretty cool stores. Now we're gonna go back to the house. It's a bit late to go downtown and get any actual footage because it's so dark, so we're gonna go back in the morning and check it out. What's up, guys? So this is our last day out here in Austin. Last night it got a little dark before we had a chance to go downtown, so we're gonna head downtown now. We're gonna check out some of the murals and some of the graffiti, see what kind of shops they have. Then we're gonna get back on the road and I'm gonna drive back to Florida. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and until next time. So we just stopped at Juice Off. I got some fresh juice and Nicole got a smoothie. And I'm gonna try it. And it's delicious.
Oh my god, it's so good.
Yes. The trip to Texas wouldn't be complete without a bunch of cowboy boots.